In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Soundation songs. If you've finished a track in Soundation and want a copy on your computer, there are two main approaches. You can export the full song as a mixdown, or you can export individual pieces, like a single clip, a whole channel, or even MIDI data. Both methods happen right inside Soundation Studio, and I'll walk you through each one so you know exactly what to pick and why. Let's start with exporting the full song. Open your project in Soundation Studio and look for the export icon in the sidebar. It usually looks like an arrow pointing outward. Click it and you'll see format options: low-res MP3, high-res MP3, and WAV at 16-bit. MP3 is a compressed format that's great for quick sharing and smaller file sizes. The high-resolution MP3 uses a higher bitrate for better quality, but it requires a premium account. WAV is uncompressed and preserves full quality at 16-bit, making it the preferred option for archiving, further mixing, or uploading to services that recommend lossless audio. Choose the format that fits your needs, confirm your choice, and let Soundation process the file. When it's done, you'll be prompted to save it directly to your computer. Pick a clear file name and a folder you'll remember. Before you export, double-check the yellow loop locators along the top of the timeline. These define the region that will be exported. If they only cover a small section, Soundation will only export that loop. Make sure they span the entire song to capture the whole mixdown. Now, if you only need a specific piece, you can export individual clips or channels. Select the exact clip or the channel you want, then right-click. You'll see options like Export Clip as WAV, Export Channel as WAV, or Export as MIDI. Exporting a clip gives you just that region. Exporting a channel gives you the whole track as a stem, including its effects and automation. Choosing MIDI saves the note data so you can use it with other instruments later. Keep in mind that MIDI isn't audio, so it won't include recorded sounds or effects. After you choose the option you want, Soundation will process it and prompt you to save the file to your device. A quick reminder: certain features such as high-resolution MP3 exports and exporting clips or channels may require a premium Soundation account. If you don't see an option, it might be limited on free plans. That's it, clean exports right from the studio.